So there are two phases in a cell cycle mainly. First is called as the interphase or the resting phase. The second is called as the M phase or the mitotic phase. Now the interphase is the resting phase, and it is basically the time between from one M phase to the another M phase. The interphase mainly constitutes about 95% of the cell cycle, and M phase constitute about 5% of the cell cycle. So basically in a human cell, when we generally talk about human cells, the whole cell cycle is of about 24 hours, and the interphase happens for about 23 hours, and the M phase happens for about 1 hour. So the main important phase is the mitotic phase. Here in interphase, what happens? In interphase, the cell prepares for the another M phase, because it is a gap between the one M phase to another M phase. So it prepares itself for the next M phase. So it can also be called as the preparing phase. Here basically two things happen. What are the two things? The two things are cell growth. The cell grows in size, okay, and the DNA which is there, the DNA replicates. Now in M phase, what happens? The M phase is the phase where the actual cell division takes place. So it is a phase where the actual cell division takes place. So if they ask you a question, where does the actual cell division takes place? So it is the mitotic phase. So the actual cell division consists of again the two phases. The first phase is called karyokinesis, and the second phase is called as the cytokinesis. Now what do you mean by karyokinesis? Karyo means the nucleus. So in karyokinesis, it is the separation of daughter nucleus take place. The two nucleus which forms, they separate from each other. This is called karyokinesis. Kinesis means breaking. Now in cytokinesis, here what happens? The other cell organelles plus the cytoplasm divides. Here the nucleus divides, and here the organelle and the cytoplasm divides.